All right, guys. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure you like, make sure you subscribe. I'm gonna start it. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure you like, make sure you. Why don't you just say it? What's going on, guys?
Hi.
Saturday morning.
Bright and early.
And where are we headed?
We're heading to Randy's.
To do what?
Pick up the Miata.
Woo! Got my Miata shirt on. Check it out. Oh, let me get the seatbelt on. What is going on, guys? Welcome to Extreme Daily Drivers. Kelly and I, it's true, we're headed to pick up the Miata. So, the Miata's been over to Serrot Performance for just really a couple weeks. And they've been hammering away at it over there. I've been over there a lot, helping with disassembly. And then yesterday I was over there for several hours helping with reassembly. Wait until you see the car. Kelly hasn't seen it yet in person. She's seen pictures. If you follow us on Instagram, you've seen pictures. But dude, I don't even have words for how it turned out.
I'm so
don't
excited.
Even have words.
I can't even wait.
We got a new windshield installed. We had rust on the A-pillar, if you guys remember. That's been repaired. It's literally like a brand new car. So we're super excited to pick it up. You guys don't know, there is a Miata event every year that goes on at the Tail of the Dragon, which is in Tennessee, like the Tennessee-North Carolina border. It's called Miatas at the Gap. It's something that's been going on for like 20 plus years, I think. Back when I had my old Miata in the 90s, I always wanted to go to this event. And we're actually going. So the event takes place in the beginning of August. We got reservations. The goal was to have the car finished for the Miatas at the Gap, and it looks like we're gonna reach our goal. So super excited about that. If you guys are going to Miatas at the Gap, please let us know down in the comments. We'd love to hook up with you guys and see your Miata or whatever you're bringing out there. But looks like we're gonna meet our goal.
Yeah, it's 2 years in the making, and we're coming down to crunch time.
Yeah.
So it's exciting.
We still have some goodies to install at home. So the car isn't like 1000% done, but it will be before Miata's at the Gap for sure. We still have some stuff coming in the mail, but yeah, the thing is gonna be sick, dude. It's gonna be absolutely sick. We'll have separate videos on that stuff that's coming in the mail too. So really excited about that. Yeah. Anyway, enough talking. Let's go check the car out. All right, guys, here we are, Serrot Performance Garage. We're about to do the unveiling. You ready for this?
I am. Let's do it.
All right, Randy.
There she is. She's a polished gem.
What's up, bro?
What's up, guys? Look around it, Kelly.
Take
I'm gonna give you a hug first. Oh my gosh.
Dude, is it sick or is it sick?
Oh, I can't even. Look at these lights too. I know it's a good.
They light up. There's just the tree.
Yeah, man.
Oh my gosh.
Everything, the whole ensemble came out nice. The rear tails.
I can't even believe that this is the same car.
Me neither.
Yeah, me neither,
I
man.
think Junior didn't even notice it. He thought it was like some old car.
Yeah.
That I just polished up.
You didn't notice this is old car? It's sitting in a heap of trash over there?
We'll have to get it outside, but yeah, man.
Oh my gosh. Look at this. I love
Sick.
the sticker back here.
Yep.
That looks awesome.
How you been, bro?
I'm good. Tired. I'm good. But, working.
If you guys don't know Randy, he works on a much smaller channel. What is it called? Oh, some guy, Adam LZ. And then there's another guy, what, Divine Media?
Divine Media.
Oh yeah, no one's ever heard of those guys, but you might want to check them out.
Yeah.
Maybe I'll put a link for them. Give him as many, as much help as we can give him. But yeah, check this guy out over there, dude. We were watching this morning your video with Divine.
Oh yeah.
Did you watch it yet?
No.
Dude, you look great in it.
Yeah.
He did a great.
He's got my good sides. He's you know.
Dude,
he's awesome.
It's for real. It's awesome.
His car really turned. It really looks good too. I think
Yeah,
the
this is a
Supra's
Supra over there.
Yeah, it's gonna be one of the top. It's gonna be a good content for his channel. I think.
Yeah. And he got the sound right on you.
And he got the sound right. Yep. Last time at the end of sex, there's a few.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, of course, it's a lot. Filming her?
Yep.
Still think it's low.
Yeah, well, I mean, it's not too low to hit anything, but yeah, it's crazy low.
It is low. I mean, it's not low life, but it's low.
It is low.
It is low.
So we put on some brand new moldings. Ordered these from Japan, believe it or not. They took like 2 weeks to get. Brand new moldings there. We put on an eBay lip that turned out awesome. It was kind of a battle to get on there, but that's the look we were after. Kelly mentioned these little guys here, these little side markers. The originals were just awful, man. They were terrible. So those are rad. They're actually LEDs. Cal is not installed yet because it's at my house, and I'm waiting for some stuff in the mail to finish that off, but that'll get installed. Mirrors, as Kelly mentioned, we have something special coming for that, so stay tuned. That's actually going to be a separate video. Randy reminded me, maybe we did the door jams.
Yeah, look at that.
Check it out.
That's amazing.
Huh? Not bad for a 91, huh?
Yeah,
Oh
right?
my gosh. Oh.
Oh yeah. We got new hood squirters. We have all new foam around all the lights. I went ahead and, well, I can't really see it right here, but these guys I went ahead and shaved down. I got all the I polished all the numbering off of them and then polished the lights. We got new foam in there in the center light. So yeah, dude, it turned out sick, man. It turned out sick. We'll give you guys a better look at this in the sun when we get it home. So we forgot to talk about the windshield, for crying out loud. We have a new windshield. And do you guys remember the rust that was here? All gone. Look at this beautiful seal. And this windshield, just noticed, has a tint strip in it. That's super rad. And one more thing we've got to talk about is our antenna.
Yeah, the antenna's gone.
Oh yeah,
Look at
it's
how
gone.
perfect that is.
Unbelievable, huh?
I mean, like,
So we're not going to listen to the radio anymore. Is that going to be all right?
I think I can live.
You know what you need first to listen to a radio? You need a stereo.
Yeah.
We don't have one.
I mean, that's really amazing work. I mean,
Yeah,
there's a hole there.
there was a hole there. Yep, incredible, man. All right, we made it back home.
We did.
It was a hot drive. But we want to show you guys the blue in the sun. Check it out. Dude, look at this. Perfect. Down here.
Like a before, I mean, like, this was such junk. I just can't even get over it.
It was total junk.
It was such junk over here. I mean, the whole car was junk, but
Every dent's been removed, and there were lots of dents. Everything's been repaired bodywork wise. Can't wait to get some mirrors on it, man.
yeah, mirrors are gonna look great.
The good news is we got what we need to put the wiper cowl on. So we'll put the wiper cowl on and the wipers and finish up that front end.
Yeah.
Let's do it. All right, man, we've been out here for a little bit. It is one of those days where it's like 107 heat index.
Yeah, something like that.
It's brutal.
95
It's
at
brutal.
least, but yeah.
We did some good work though. We got some good work. We got our headlights put back together. We got the bulbs back in there, all the trim. We got our wipers on.
That looks great.
Yeah, with our cowl, we painted the cowl, trim painted it. And I don't know if I showed you guys, but I got this wiper arm here from the junkyard. And 94 to 97, I believe, came with that little spoiler on the wiper blade. The one that we had that came with this car did not have that.
Yeah, it's really great.
And the Miata that I had back in the day had that. So I wanted to get it again because it's cool.
Yeah.
That way when we're going 50 miles an hour,
150 at least.
our wipers will make really good contact with the windshield. But that's going to do it for this one, guys. Let us know down in the comments, what do you think of the car? For anyone who's going to be asking, this is the OEM color. This is Mariner Blue. Yeah, so except it's not a single stage. It's base coat, clear coat. Turned out awesome.
Yeah, I
You
can't.
agree?
I mean, I have no words. It's amazing.
Yeah. So a couple more things, a couple more videos coming up here in the next couple weeks before we go to Miatas at the Gap. If you're going to be at Miatas and Gap, let us know down in the comments. We definitely want to hook up with you guys. And that's going to be it for this one.
That's it. Got
All
the
right.
car back, yay.
Got the car back. We got the pieces back together. We still got some cleaning to do. Found a leaky fuel injector I got to fix.
Thanks so much for watching. Make sure you like, make sure you subscribe, ring that bell, and we will see you next time.
What she said. See you later.